Hi everyone. I'm just taking a walk and I decided I'd make a short video here about nature, of course. I know for some parts of the US it's already a bit chilly, but we can still go out in nature and appreciate it. And if you're from other parts of the world, find a way to get connected. You know, I have 5 siblings, and at one time we had a talk about grounding and getting out in nature. And she simply said, every time you eat a fruit or vegetable, you're grounding. It sounds funny to some, but I think it's important that we remember that we are grounding when we're having fruits and vegetables. But at the same time, I think we should get out and be physical in nature. Walk around if you can, and explore the smallest things, like this little pine tree. And it's soon to be little pine cones. You can appreciate nature. You can be in nature. And as I said before in one of my other videos, nature is our best teacher. I was watching the birds earlier as they flew away, and there was one in the brush, and I had a twig in my hand, and it flew off, and I thought it's a good thing I didn't toss it in there. It's in those sweet moments that you can learn the most about yourself, observing, contemplating, even making commitments to yourself. I like to support as much as possible anyone who needs it. But I was reminded about my health and how much I need to care for my body. And so I hope that this short video can make its way to someone who needs that same reminder. Okay, as usual, I love you. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll talk soon. Bye.